Added to our specialist automotive range is this Draper Expert 4-piece track rod removal toolkit. The professional quality kit is designed to remove and install new knuckle joints on track rods quickly and easily. Let's move on to a bench to clearly see how this kit works. The spring cam roller head and the hollow body of the knurled handle allow the track rod to pass through them, so you can grip the ball joint and loosen or tighten the nut. Also incorporated in the handle are 1/2-inch square drive and 32mm hexagon drive options to ensure the correct tightening torque on reassembly. Supplied in a handy storage case, the kit comes with a 400mm long knurled handle and 3 interchangeable roller heads from 30 up to 45mm diameter, offering you complete versatility. The Draper Expert 4-piece track rod removal toolkit. You'll struggle without it.